a bit different because today I'm gonna make my birthday cake. So my mom wanted to make it, but I thought why not I make it. So my mom actually basically she has done the hard part. She has prepped all the ingredients and everything. So I'm just gonna do the easy part. But I'll tell you the recipe, and it's a very healthy cake. So as I was saying, it's not a very birthday-ish, very common cake. It's a very healthy cake with all the healthy ingredients and nuts and everything. So I'll show you the ingredients. So we'll start the recipe. Let's start. Okay, so now I'll show you all the ingredients which we are using. We are basically using this is atta, this is suji. We are using a bit of butter and mostly ghee. This is chopped almonds, this is dates, this is anda, eggs, this is walnuts, chopped walnuts, this is raisins, kishmish, this is kaju, and baking soda, baking powder, and cocoa powder, and cinnamon powder, which is inside the. Okay, so first we'll start with all the dry ingredients. We'll take the atta, which is 1 cup of atta. And we'll add 3/4 cup of suji in it. Okay, now we'll add the baking powder, baking soda. Now we'll add cinnamon powder. Just 1 spoon is enough. And we'll add the best, which is for flavor, which is cocoa powder, and handful of cocoa powder. Okay, I think this will be enough. Now we just have to mix all the dry ingredients. Dry ingredients are ready here. Now we'll add the wet ingredients. First of all, we add curd, 1 bowl of curd. Then here we'll add, it's a non-vegetarian cake, so we'll add the 2 eggs. And now for flavor, we'll add the freshly made date syrup, which we have made from dates, adding a bit of water in it. In the mixer grinder, we have just grind it. We will have to mix it now. I forgot to mention we have to add butter and ghee because it's a healthy recipe, so we are not adding oil, we are adding butter and ghee in it. Okay, so we are adding all the wet ingredients in the dry ingredients and we'll mix it properly. So our dry and wet ingredients mixed is ready. Now we'll add some raisins in it and kaju, and we'll add a handful of almonds also and some akhrots as well, and we'll have to mix it. Okay, so we have already greased it with ghee and added a paper And now we'll put this batter in this. Okay, so we have added the batter in this, and now my favorite part, which is adding the nuts. We'll add all the chopped nuts. So this is ready now, and we'll just put it inside micro oven for like 30 to 40 minutes on 180 degrees Celsius. Okay, so now this goes on 180 degrees Celsius and for about 30 to 40 minutes. So now I'll add 10 minutes. Okay, so we have taken out the cake from micro oven and see this. Yum. Smell is so good, and now we'll just keep it here and cool it for some time, and then we'll be ready. I can't wait to taste it.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. আমি আসছি
না দেখো হ্যাঁ